Okay, so let's have a look at Munster 2011 Ordinary Level Question 5 and look at the first adjustment for the net profits. It's asking you for the net profit for 2010. So the net profit is using our trade and profit and loss account. So you look at our trade and profit and loss account. Our net profit is at the very end, so our net profit is 0. So to calculate the net profit, we're going to take the gross profit of 373,000 and we're going to take away the expenses of 159,000. So your formula for the net profit is gross profit minus expenses. Two figures you need is the gross profit, and the gross profit is 373,000. Second figure we need is expenses. So our expenses are 159,000, all taken from the profit and loss account. So our expenses are 159,000. So now that we have the figures that we need for this, we're going to put them into our formula. So 373,000, which is our gross profit. Take away our expenses, which is 159,000. So 373 minus 159. So your net profit is 214,000. Remember to use the euro sign because that's the units that you need for that. So that's number 2 for Munster 2011 paper, ordinary, for your ratios.